Welcome, trivia lovers, to Quiz Phoenix! Today, Finn brings you a super fun Squishy Dumpling challenge. In each round, you'll see 2 open boxes and 1 mystery box filled with exciting surprises. Which box will you choose? Pick carefully, test your luck, and let's discover what's waiting inside. Here's the first round to begin: left, middle, or mystery box. Marvelous! They are all so cute. Round 2. Choose 1 box. Wow! The donut dumpling looks so yummy! Which one will you choose this time? I picked the third one. How about you? Next up, you only have 7 seconds to choose. Make your decision now. Oh no, that's a crying duck. One, 2, or mystery box. It's Pikachu Dumpling. The Rainbow Dumpling, Blue Donut, or mystery box. Are you happy with your choice? Flamingo Dumpling, Panda Dumpling, or mystery box? You got the Parrot Dumpling. Finn will pick the mystery gift this round. Oh no! It's a spider! So scary! Left, middle, or right? Amazing! Round 10. They all look so cutie! Keep up the good work! It's a yellow Labubu. Will you choose SpongeBob, Larry, or mystery box? Fantastic! It's Patrick Star Dumpling. YouTube, Facebook, or mystery box? Perfect! That's TikTok Dumpling. Choose your next box. So sorry for everyone choosing the mystery box. Round 15. Which one will you choose this round? Share your choice in the comment. Left, middle, or right? Great job! Ready for the next one? Let's see if luck is on your side. Oh no, I just picked the potato. How about this round? Awesome! Finn loves strawberry ice cream. Choose left, right, or mystery gift. I think the mystery gift is not a good idea. We move to round 20. Pick one, kick two. The mystery box is so yummy. Keep it up. Choose your box. Hope you didn't choose the mystery one. Tell us which one you chose this time. I just picked the dolphin dumpling. How about you? One, two, or three? Nice try. Finn will choose the mystery box this round. Wow, a purple axolotl. Round 25, Sakura dumpling, cactus, or mystery box. No way! It's disgusting! Moving on! Do you trust your luck? A black dumpling. Not bad. Choose one box. If you chose the mystery box, I'm so sorry. I picked the orange flower this round. Wow, so beautiful! Tiger dumpling, cheetah dumpling, or mystery box? Amazing! That's a unicorn dumpling! Round 30, pink Labubu, blue Labubu, or mystery box? That's a rainbow Labubu! Do you love it? Ready for the next one? Here we go! It's Pikachu! One, two, or three? It's not a good one. Choose your box. You are spot on. Did luck smile on you this time? Haha, it's a poop cake. Round 35. Fanta, Dr. Pepper dumpling, or mystery box? It's not a good one. Choose your next box. I got Grimace dumpling, purple dumpling, blue dumpling, or Meister box. It's a pink dumpling. Keep it up. Are you satisfied with your choice? We're almost done. Let's keep choosing. Oh no! I just picked the mystery box. And now, the final challenge. Blue marshmallow dumpling, pumpkin dumpling, or mystery box? You got a cute ghost. Amazing! That's a wrap on today's challenge. What do you think about today's quiz? Let us know in the comments below. Choose your next exciting quiz game from the options on the left or right side of the screen. Thanks for playing, and see you again soon.